Here's the e-bike with damaged wires. Damaged wires, and I'm just gonna start removing them one by one. I'm gonna have to find some way to cut these and replace them. Get them out. Get them out. Now we only have this. So I'm gonna open this and do a surgery on this, and somehow get them back in through here. I have to get them back up into this, into that little section right there. Section right there. So yeah, that's the bill right now. This is 5,000 watt motor, and I'm gonna be repairing it. Watch me work.